All right, how's everyone doing? Happy May long weekend, May 22nd. Yeah, I haven't done a video in a while, so I'm killing some time over here at my favorite Honda shop. Hanging pretty close to the air conditioner because it's hot outside. And I was feeling a little lazy, and I noticed my chain was a little loose on my motorcycle. So I had to bring it into the Honda shop. Ooh, he's hitting it with a hammer. And it's hot outside. Like I say, I'm hiding by the air conditioner. I don't have any shade at my house right now. And I might not even have the tools to bust that nut loose. But I wouldn't be doing that technique or method anyways. Got her. 50 pesos. It's like $1.20 they're going to charge me to adjust my chain. I'm not going to break out a sweat. I'm just going to hang out here in the air-conditioned showroom. One of their satellite Honda shops over here. Hang the Hall. Stay cool. But yeah, where can you bring a motorcycle for 50 pesos? 40 pesos is $1. So it's a buck and a quarter, say. And the chain's done. Thank you very much, Honda. Hope everyone out there is staying cool in the world, because I think no matter where you are right now, it's got to be summertime. I'm going to go get a haircut next Saturday, too. Kill the day. But hope everyone's doing good. I'm not doing too bad. Loving the AC. I never used to like it, but I'm really liking it these days. And a nice big unit right here. Staying real close. The music's painful though. Oh yeah, it is. Okay, you guys. Take care. Bye for now.